Hey guys, I have a 2008 Toyota Camry. There's no start. When I switch on, there's no check engine light showing here, and then there's no park. There's no park engage. So there's no start. It's a Toyota Camry 2008. So let's switch on again. Switch on. There's no check engine light, and there's no park engage in the gear. So start. There's no start. So let's check all the fuses. Check the coil 5 volts. As you can see, there's no 5 volts reference. So check the fuse. This EFI fuse is no supply. There's no supply. This two EFI fuse. There's no supply. Let's remove this. I found here the problem. As you can see, the wire is burning. So when I engage these two wire, the wire is burning. So engage this. Engage. Let's try to start the car. So now let's try to start the car. As you can see now, the check engine light is showing, and there's a park engage of the gear. Now let's try to start. So the car is start. So now it's good. The car is start. Just fix this wiring. And this is the problem. Just need to fix this. The Toyota Camry. So yeah guys, this is the problem. The integrational relay. So let's try to check if there's a supply now using this light. So now it's good. There's a supply. EFI fuse. So that's it. And this is the problem. That's why the car is no start and there's no showing the check engine light. Let's say the wiring is gone.